Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations.
Today, we're diving into the world of Korean cuisine with what can only be described as the best Korean pancake mix out there, the Surasang Buchimgaru mix. This Korean pancake mix isn't just any ordinary mix.
It's a versatile pantry staple that brings the authentic flavors of Korea right into your home.
Whether you're craving the classic scallion pancakes or the mouth-watering seafood pancakes, this mix has got you covered.
Imagine crispy edges, savory fillings, and that perfect balance of flavors. That's what you get every time you whip up a batch using the Surasang Buchimgaru mix.
And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just follow the simple instructions on the package, mix it up with water and your favorite ingredients like kimchi or seafood, and voila!
You'll have a stack of delicious Korean pancakes ready to impress.
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the Surasang Buchimgaru mix for its authentic taste and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you'll love the results every time. Now, before you rush off to grab your own bag of Surasang Buchimgaru mix, I do want to mention one important thing. While this product is absolutely fantastic in terms of taste and convenience, it's essential to be aware of any dietary restrictions or health concerns. As with any food product, it's important to read the labels and be mindful of any potential allergens or warnings. In this case, the Surasang Buchimgaru mix contains MSG, so if you're sensitive to that ingredient, you may want to proceed with caution. But overall, if you're looking to elevate your culinary skills and bring a taste of Korea into your home, I highly recommend giving the Surasang Buchimgaru Korean Pancake mix a try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.
That's all for today's review.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy cooking!